1 p.m. on Thursday, July 25th. I'm getting all these days confused. Can't remember anything anymore. So stressful. This whole experience is just really draining, stressful, anxiety ridden, depressing. There's nothing positive about this experience at all. I can't find anything positive about it. It's actually frightening, it's scary, it's torturing, it's exhausting, it's miserable. It's just miserable. I find any pleasure in this. And I work in surgery, and I see physicians do some amazing things to bodies, take care of some really serious issues with people. But I've seen over 25 physicians at minimum, and they all just abandoned me. I have 4 physicians working on me simultaneously, and 2 of them, the gastroenterologist and the thoracic, aren't returning my calls. They're not responding to my emails. They're not responding to any messages. It's been 2 months since I saw one. It's been 3 months since the other. That's pretty sad. I mean, that's beyond disappointing for the community. And I'm their patient, and they don't even have the balls to tell me that they don't either want to carry me any further with this condition or nothing. They just stopped all communication. It's a guessing game. When I call and ask for them, I'm still their patient, so I don't know what's going on. And that's happened with every single physician, so it's not just these. It seems to be a theme with this condition. They just, people run. They run from it. They don't want to be attached to it. Bunch of pussies.